in Kestel neighborhood to show you a newly built 1+1 apartment. So if you're ready, let's check it out. Here include an outdoor swimming pool, a relaxation area, fitness, sauna, a steam room, and of course many more. Is a 1+1 apartment with a total area of 55 meters square. It consists of a living room, a bedroom, and an American-style kitchen. This apartment is close to both the center of Kestel and the university, so it can be considered as a good investment option. So for more information, don't hesitate to contact us. Wish you have a nice day.